Sophie. Have you ever seen a big lion at the zoo? Well, I have, and today my mom and I are going to draw a lion. If you want to draw with us, all you need is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's start it. First, let's draw the lion's head. So in the middle of our paper, I'm going to draw a straight line. This is the top of the lion's head. Make it as wide as you want.
Okay.
Okay, and then coming from it, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down, like apart, not exactly just straight down, just going a little to the side. Same thing on the other side.
Okay.
Try to make them even as possible. And coming from it, I'm going to draw a straight line going inward. And on the same side, and on the other side, I'm going to draw the same thing.
Okay.
You can make it a little longer.
Longer. I ain't long enough.
Okay, and then you can connect it with a curved line.
Okay.
Okay, that's the bottom of the lion's head. Now let's draw the face. So here I'm drawing a curved line. This is not its mouth.
Okay.
And then draw a hump that goes in.
Goes in.
And then a hump that goes all the way around. And then let's draw the nose. So we're going to draw a triangle. And then shade it in. And then we're going to draw a straight line coming down from it, connecting to this part. Let's draw 3 spots here. There. And then let's draw the lion's whiskers. Right here, we're going to draw a curved line that goes out. A long whisker comes out. I'm going to add 3, but you can add as many as you want.
Okay.
Make sure to add the same amount on the other side.
Okay.
Okay? And then let's draw the eyes. So over here, I'm going to draw a circle. And over here, I'm going to draw a circle.
2 circles.
Draw a highlight. And then color in the rest. There. Great. This is a male lion. So I'm going to draw a mane. Right here, I'm going to draw a poofy line up top. I know it looks kind of a little silly, but we're going to continue drawing it. So here we're going to draw a line that poofs out. Basically, it's just some bunches of hair poofing out and out. You can make it poofed out in any way you want.
Okay.
But towards the bottom of the head here, I'm going to make it a little flatter.
Flatter?
Okay. And then, like that. Sure is a wild mane, huh? Okay. Now that we have the head and the mane in, let's draw his paws, his front paws. So right here, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down.
So it's not connected to the body?
No. The back legs, we're going to connect it to the body.
Okay.
But it's still part of it. And then right here, leaving a wide space, and lions have thick paws, we're going to draw another straight line. Same thing on the other side. And over here, I'm going to draw a curved line coming out, and then connect with a curved line. And curved line coming down. And another curved line coming down. And a line coming out over on the other side. It has huge paws.
Okay.
then 2 curved lines from the other, on this side too. There. Next, let's draw the back paws. So from here, connecting into this part of the mane, we're going to draw a curved line. That goes almost touching here, but do not touch, okay?
Okay.
Because here we're going to draw the foot right here, and we'll draw a curved line that connects all the way into this part.
Okay.
And then draw those little lines on it again. And over here, we're going to draw the same thing. Just a curved line that almost touches, but does not touch the leg. And right here, we're going to draw the back paw. And then a curved line coming in. Okay. Let's draw the bottom of the belly. So right here, we're going to draw a curved line.
Connect together?
Yes.
Okay.
And then here, we're going to draw the tail. La la la. We're going to draw a curved line.
Okay.
It's just a squiggle, any way you want.
Oh, okay.
And then draw another squiggle the same way as you did with the first squiggle, leaving a little space in between, right next to each other.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw this raindrop shape on top of the tail, like
It's
that.
a raindrop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not exactly a raindrop, just the hair on the end of the tail. What's that a background for this little lion?
Okay.
Or huge lion. Right here we're going to draw some grass.
Oh,
Just a zigzag.
zigzag. Okay.
You can add as many grass as you want.
Okay.
I'm going to just add another grass here. And small
like
grass. And that. Sure. There are all kinds of grass. Perfect. Now we're done drawing our lion. It's time to color it. But before we do, I'm going to tell you what colors we're going to use. For the lion's mane and for this raindrop shape of the tail, which is basically the hair on the tail, I'm going to color this brownish yellowish color. For the face, except for this part, and for most of the body and this part of the tail, I'm going to color this yellow color. For the grass and for around most parts around the grass that surrounds the lion, I'm going to color it green. These parts, I'm going to color it green too to make it look like it's shorter grass. Today I'm using colored pencils to make it look like a very furry lion.
Ooh, sounds good.
Let's start with the mane and the raindrop shape on the tail.
Okay.
Okay. We finished coloring our lion. My lion is bigger than my mom's lion. The pictures are a little different, but they're still great. I like your shaggy mane, Mom.
Oh, thank you.
It's done for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!